like me.
She's a bad thing.
Is it love? Is it love? Nobody think like me. Need what you need like me.
Hey, 2 a.m. and I'm live.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Jen. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I have my first collective haul of 2025. So we have outfits, we have bags, we have shoes, accessories, all that good stuff. And when it comes to the outfits, I did partner with Shein. So I want to thank Shein, but let's go ahead and get into these outfits. So the first outfit I want to show you guys is this 3-piece beige set. It comes with a skirt, the tank top on the inside, and then a jacket. It's kind of like a drop shoulder jacket. It's so cute. Size range from a 0XL all the way to a 3XL. I did pick this up in a 2XL just to be on the safe side, but I love this. So this is the top. As I mentioned, it has a tank top on the inside and then a jacket. This is so cute. And it is very stretchy as well. And it also has like gold glitter in between. It's so pretty. I love this set so much. With this set, you can dress it up or you can dress it down. I opted to dress mine down with some gold shoes and a gold purse. So here's the purse. This is from Shein as well. It's only $10. And this is how it's looking on the inside. So it's super cute. I also picked out this beautiful beige, kind of like a light brown dress. I love it. It's a bodycon dress, but it has like a wrap detail on the top and at the bottom with 2 rings that you can just pin on the sides. So this dress is $23 on Shein and it ranges from a size small all the way to a 4XL. And I did get mine in a 2XL. It is true to size. I love it. It's tall girl friendly. You can just wear this with some gold shoes. If you don't have gold, you can do clear shoes. I love this. It just kind of like snatches me even more. Especially with the wrap detail on the sides. I love it. It's so cute. So also I picked out this white 2-piece set. I just love this. It's so elegant. This is $24 on Shein and it ranges from a size small all the way to a 3XL and I got mine in a 1XL. I just wore this with some white boots and a white purse and also with my Dior sunglasses. It has a mirror effect to it, so it kind of makes the outfit pop. And I also wore my Miu Miu brooch just to add some pizzazz to the outfit or whatever. And I tucked the shirt in. I tucked it in a little bit and then I made a knot in the back so it can, you know, tighten up because it was kind of loose on the sides. So yeah, you can just play with it and see what you get from the top. You can tuck it, you can tie it, you can knot it, whatever works for you. So next we have a brown dress. This is giving you kind of like that mermaid type of look at the bottom. So this dress is $25 on Shein. It ranges from a 0XL all the way to a 3XL and I picked mine up in a 2XL. What I love most about this dress is the ring detail that it has in the middle with the gathering. Don't have a lot of hips. This dress definitely will make, you know, give you that illusion. So another thing I love about this dress is the off shoulder detail. I love anything that's off the shoulders. This would be really nice with like a updo. I was not wearing an updo, wasn't thinking about it, but that would be cute with an updo. Last but not least, we have a black dress. This is super cute. It has like a mermaid type of effect as well at the bottom. And then it has the ruching on the arms. It's mesh, but then like on the body of the dress, it's 2 different materials, so it's not see-through, but the arms and the bottom of the dress is completely mesh and it does have thumb holes as well. This dress is $21 and it ranges from a size 0XL all the way to a 4XL. I picked mine up in a 1XL. So next I want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. This dress is kind of like a muumuu. I love me a muumuu. When I hit 30, I was like, okay, I need all the muumuus. Okay, so when I saw this, I was like, yes, I gotta get it. It was $20 on Amazon. It's a Dior inspired muumuu. How it's looking, it's one size fits all. It does feature 2 slits on the sides, but it's not long at all, so it is appropriate for the house. I love this. It feels like a silk scarf, but just a dress. And it also comes with a scarf as well. You can put this around your head, or you can like tie it around your waist. I tied it around my waist just for the sake of the video. Say if you are wearing this out and you wanted to add more shape to the dress, you can just tie this around your waist to give it more shape, but around the head, around your neck, whatever works. This is a scarf right here, and it's very long. And if I didn't mention, that was $19.99 on Amazon. So next, I want to show you guys these Fendi inspired heels that I found on Amazon. These are so cute, and it looks exactly like the Fendi heels, like the exact authentic Fendi heels. Okay, so the Fendi heels retails for $2,100, and on Amazon this is $77.99. So it is true to size, but depending on if you like a little give, you know, especially with a strap at the front, you can size up. But this is how it's looking. It has a FF, not a F and a L, not a EE. It's not indie, but it's so cute. And what I love about it is the heel, honey. Look at the heel. It has a strap attached to the heel, and it has a FF right here, and then on the strap it has a FF up here, and it actually says Fendi on the buckle right here. It says Fendi. So if I could give this shoe, and this is the bottom, if I could give this shoe any type of like, if I could change anything about this shoe, it would definitely be the straps. It's kind of tight. So what you can do, and what I plan on doing, is replacing a strap. I'm going to try to find a brown strap on Amazon and just replace it. Like, you can literally take it off because it is kind of tight around my ankles. But let me show you guys. So you can like take it off of here. Watch me dismantle these shoes. You can take it off. Come on. So yeah, I'm gonna replace it. This is the piece I want to replace right here. And I'm sure it's not gonna cost a lot to replace it. But other than that, the shoe is very comfortable. The heel, even though it's like a 3-inch heel, it doesn't hurt because it's a block heel. It's very sturdy. And around here, like if you have wide feet, it will definitely work. And like I said, it is true to size. So these are so nice. And I'm just realizing you don't even have to wear it with the strap. You don't have to wear it with the strap. You can just wear it without the strap. It's so cute without the strap too. Yes. I'm so excited about this shoe. I didn't put an outfit together yet with this shoe, but you know that shawl that I showed you guys in the last haul, this shawl right here, I plan on like putting outfits together with this because it matched, and it also matched this bag as well. This is from Amazon if you guys didn't see that haul. And by the way, this bag is back in stock. It's available for pre-order. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to link it below. But I'm so excited about these shoes, to know that I can wear it in 2 different styles, because yes, I didn't even realize that until now. It'll be so nice. When it comes to shipping, it took about 2 weeks. So not bad at all. And I just want you guys to keep in mind, China has a holiday coming up. So if you guys order anything that's coming out of China, just be on the lookout that it may be delayed a week or 2. So yeah. While browsing on Amazon, I saw this Chloe bag and I was like, oh my God, so pretty. Y'all know this bag retails for like $1,400 and it was $77 on Amazon. I got it in a brown color. Oh my goodness. She is so adorable. I don't think the camera is giving it justice at all. Like when I took this out the pack, I was like, are you serious? She is so good. Like the chocolate, it looks like chocolate, and it's just so pretty. It's just so beautiful. Everything about this bag, oh my God. And the material, 10 out of 10, okay? It does include an adjustable shoulder strap, and this is how it looks on the inside. It says Chloe, And then it has one compartment right here. Also, Amazon has this bag in different colors. They have it in black, brown, gray, and cream, like a beige color. I want all of them. I want all of them. Y'all better get them before Amazon take it off the site, because it does say Chloe on the front. So yeah, this was another one that I did not regret buying. The Chloe bag and the Fendi shoes came on the same day, and I actually ordered it on the same day. So they both came within 2 weeks. So this next item, a subscriber actually sent me the link to this item. So thank you, Denise. Thank you for looking out. You actually made my job a little bit easier, girl. I appreciate it. This bag is $20 on Amazon, and it's retailing for about $120. This is like a beach bag, but it's like the exact look as the authentic Longchamp knitted bag. But yeah, also insert like a cute little pouch in here, or like a scarf. I've seen a few people adding like scarves inside of the knitted bag so it can keep their items in place so it won't fall out. You can do that. But I love the brown and the black together. And it also has a longer handle as well. So this is super cute for summer and spring. So next we have a Gucci inspired brooch. This was also sent to me from another subscriber, Tara. She sent me the link. I appreciate it, okay? Because this is cute. This is only like $7 on Amazon, but it's not like that shiny gold. It's given like kind of like a vintage type of gold. And then it kind of like drapes. This is so cute to like add a cute little touch to your outfits. I am loving brooches more and more as I do these hauls. And then I have another brooch as well. This is a Chanel inspired brooch. It has the number 5 on it with the pearls. And this is on Amazon for $8.99. Not bad at all. So next I did find some Celine inspired sunglasses on Amazon. Now the link that I use, it's not available anymore, but I did find another link. It's $14.99. It's retail for $550. So I think that's a steal. But this is what I got. It's actually 2 in a pack, silver and gold. And I love the shape of it. Super cute. And it does have the Celine logo on both sides. This is how the black one looks. And then this is the gold. And these are so sturdy. They're not flimsy at all. You can't bend it, can't break it. I mean, you can, but you know what I'm saying. It's not flimsy. So the last item that I got from Amazon is a body oil. This is supposed to be like a inspired version of the YSL Black Opium. And it smells so good. Smells so good. It's kind of like a vanilla type of scent, but it's not really strong. It smells very expensive, and it's only $6.99 on Amazon. I love me a body oil to layer with my other perfumes. Oh my goodness. But yeah, this smells absolutely amazing. So next we're gonna get into items that were sent from private sellers. So this first bag is sent from Leo Luxury. This is the LV vanity case, and it retails for about $2,700. On his site, it's $198, and I will list his details below. So this is how it looks. Material quality, 10 out of 10. I love it. And this is how the top looks. And what I love about Leo Luxury is the shipping. It doesn't take long at all. The items are always on point. It has a lot of space. Comes with a strap that you can attach to the bag if you don't want to wear it like as a top handle. And then the book as well. This bag is from WishBiz, and it's a Chanel double flap. It retails for about $14,000. On their site, it is $219. Not bad at all. The quality, 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I absolutely love this bag. I love this bag. The quality and everything about this bag is just amazing. And then when you open it up, this is how it looks. It's kind of like a burgundy inside. And then it has all your paperwork. and the zipper at the top. Also got this beautiful burgundy Chanel bag. Oh my goodness, I love this bag. Love it. The burgundy and gold together is given. This is how it looks. I love the handle. This is $350, but she is cute, okay? And this is how it's looking on the inside, and it has another compartment in the front and then a zipper as well, and at the top. Then in the back, you have a small little compartment. But this is absolutely beautiful. Elegance. Oh my goodness. So cute. So next I have a LV bum bag. It retails for about $1,800, and I can't wait to put some outfits together with this. It's going to be a look. Quality 10 out of 10, okay? And of course the strap is adjustable. And also from WishBiz, I picked up a Chanel scarf. This is $72 on the site. And this is how it's looking. It's kind of like a ribbed type of material. It's very stretchy and it's very long. I will be dressing this up with the outfit very, very soon. So next I picked up these Dior sunglasses. These are so nice. It has like these butterflies on the sides. So cute, and it's very sturdy. And I would say these are kind of like indoor outdoor sunnies, and it's not doing too much. It's like the rhinestones is kind of like a extra pizzazz, an extra pop to whatever you're wearing. It's so nice. So next I did pick up some Gucci horse bit mules. These are so cute. They're like a beige color, and it has the shearling material in the back. So it's perfect for this season that we're in. It's cold everywhere, even here in Florida, child. It's so cold. But these retail for about $1,000, and I got them for $142. So this is how it's looking. It has the signature horse bit detail, and then the GG throughout the shoe. And then this is how it's looking on the bottom. So normally I wear a size 42. They didn't have a 42, so I got it in a 43, and it's too big. So I wish it worked, but it's so comfortable. It's so warm when you put your foot inside. I love them so much. And y'all know I love me a neutral color. So let's go ahead and get into the first giveaway of 2025. I want to thank y'all for all of your support thus far. I appreciate it. So because those shoes did not work, it's only right that I do a giveaway on it. So if you wear a size 43, that is a 10.5 or 11, around that range. That'll be perfect for you. So this is the first giveaway. And then the second giveaway is going to be this beautiful burgundy Gucci bag. This bag includes a mirror that matches the color of the bag. So yeah, it's so nice. And I'm going to include this Chanel inspired brooch. So that is it. If you want to enter, just let me know if you're entering for the shoes or the Gucci bag. Let me know in the comment section below, but also let me know what you guys think about this haul. Please be sure to hit the like button so we can get this video into the algorithm. I truly appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing me thus far, and I look forward to an amazing 2025. Until next time, bye y'all.